Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor. In this video, I want to talk about the SPY about to hit 400. It came a penny from 400. And the reason why I want to talk about it is at the beginning of this week, when I was doing my analysis where markets could go, I have mentioned that I'm expecting the 400 level to be reached this week. And I'll tell you why I had that expectation. Because I started with SAVE, structure, of the overall market is in an uptrend. That's my overall structure. So I knew of that structure. Area of value, I knew we were away from an area of value from a bounce perspective. So we were still heading north and we have not reached any significant extension levels on my Fibonacci extensions to tell me that we were done with this strong momentum. So because of structure and area of value, I was predicting that we would hit 400. I don't like to enter trades based on predictions, but this prediction specifically was just to show you why I thought that level was achievable and why I thought it was an important level. So going on the charts, as you can see, and we can zoom out, as you can see, the high of today already hit 400 even as I was discussing this. So 399.99 was the high before I started talking, but we've already tagged 400. And I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to go to my weekly and show you. On my weekly, we were in a very strong uptrend structure. We were nowhere near any area of value, which is this trend line. That trend line is what I want to use when I am thinking of area of value. So, in this zone here, we were not there. And in this zone here, we were not there. So price was not reaching for those areas yet. And so we continue to make, higher lows and continue to make higher highs. That's why structurally, I was not in a position to think we were in a down in a pullback scenario. And looking at the daily, where I also add in some of my sentiments, the put call ratio and the VVIX were not in alignment, all of them going in the yellow zone, meaning above certain threshold, or both of them being one yellow, one red, being over even a higher threshold. So because of that, I was confident that our bullish momentum was still strong and we were still heading in that direction. That's why I was confident. And then looking at the VVIX, the 10-year, the UVXY, they were all signaling weakness, meaning the market is rallying to the upside. So that's why when I was doing my analysis Sunday evening, which was the 28th, because the markets opened on the 29th, so Sunday evening, after the close of Friday, as I was doing my analysis, I was considering that we were still going up higher. And even to the extent, I want to be a little bit more aggressive and say, low to high on a daily basis, we still have some room to be able to push towards the 402.50 to 403 area. I believe we still have some room to that upside before we see some potential pullbacks. So that's how I was looking at the market. That's the reason why I mentioned we are heading to 400. And when we come down to our hourly, then we can see yesterday was a strong up day that ended up a little bit weak for the day, but that weakness was only a short pullback that stayed away from a previous swing, 78.6% retracement. And then today we had a gap up, overnight market rallied, gap up, and finally we hit 400 today. So we're still playing around that area. And the other thing I want to add, 400 is a psychological number. 300, 350, 400, these big numbers are very psychological numbers, and people want to pull price towards those areas. And then if we break down from that area and not able to continue that momentum, then price will start to push back to the next levels. Maybe we will not go all the way down to 350, but that's where the 400 is, where it will act like resistance for now, and we have yet to see if we break through that resistance, or if that resistance becomes so strong it's going to keep the pressure on and keep the price down. So far there is no indication that there is pressure. It's just bulls and bears are just having fun at this psychological level. So I just wanted to go over why I thought the 400 was possible, why I still think there is room to the upside. But this is not a suggestion or a recommendation to say, oh, we have room to the upside, let's all go long. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is we had some potential up move. And when you look at the hourly chart, you'll be able to see a couple of spikes here on the 26th after the cash market closed, and then overnight on Sunday before the cash market opened, you saw some spikes. I usually ignore these big spikes. These are anomalies, and those are kind of normalized when you go to the daily. You don't see those spikes in the daily charts because the daily does not really care what the overnight explosion anomalies are. We just focus on the price action on the cash hours. So as you're putting that into context, that's why on Sunday on our hourly chart, I did not take this bar at 3 p.m. Friday Pacific time. I did not take this into consideration. I ignored this bar. 6 a.m. Monday morning Pacific time, I ignored this bar, and I was looking at just overall trend. These anomalies were ignored. They were just noise, and price kept pushing up and pushing up. So it's a great day. It's a great day because we hit that level, and I'm excited because I said on Sunday it's possible we'll hit it this week, and we are Thursday, the last day of trading for this week, and we hit it. So with that, I wish you happy trading, and I will be coming back to you with more analysis, more videos to just show you how you can take advantage of the market and what structures and area of values are telling you. And up here, I will also put a video where I mentioned this prediction on Sunday. So with that, have a great rest of your day. If you're celebrating Easter, happy Easter. If not, just have a great long weekend. Enjoy your weekend, relax, recharge, rejuvenate, study your charts, and let's come back Monday with strong knowledge and strong risk management skills to come back and tackle the new week. Take care, everyone.